So China gave us a gift this week, and it turned into our trade of the week. At 10-Minute Trades, we trade news events. And if you notice on the calendar, this particular calendar, investing.com, there's Caixin Manufacturing, a Chinese manufacturing report, and Caixin Services, a Chinese services report. They usually don't trade together. And what happened was, when the news came out, it agreed with each other. In other words, it was in the same direction. If the news is all good, that gives our trade a kick. And that's exactly what happened. Had it been all bad, that would give our trade a kick. What we don't want is for one report to be positive and one report to be negative. So the bonus, the gift that Chinese markets gave us, is these two reports don't usually trade together. We usually trade the manufacturing report. We've been watching services. It has been a little bit more active lately, but because they traded together, we had a much better move on our setup, and it made for our trade of the week. Let me show you what I mean. So we had our setup. We put our orders on the chart. This document over here on the right is our actual trade setup. We send this document to our members the day before a trade, and it shows our members how to trade the event. We're trading futures. We use the Ninja Trader platform, and we actually traded copper on this event. Well, this news comes out at 9:45 Eastern Time in the evening. Now, if you notice, there was some volatility in copper. The market had been moving quite actively before the news came out. Now watch, there's our orders. The news comes out. Wow, it shoots down, a very nice move in copper, and then it keeps going and blasts through our second target for a very easy, quick, nice, profitable trade. That, my friends, was a bonus because both events traded together, and we got our kick because the news was negative on both reports, and that's what pushed the price down. Caixin Manufacturing and Services is our trade of the week this week, and thank you, China, for the gift in the market that we traded. Take care, everyone, and don't forget about the magnet strategy. Check your inbox for all the information.